Hello to all friends, followers, listeners, how are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome. Today going to share an awesome strategy which about boom and crash. How actually this strategy works is really very awesome or very easy strategy. You just need to focus on moving averages, and once moving average is closer to any moving average, look here that moving average is set up, a 6 moving averages we added, and look here, and once that candles closer to any moving average, once that candles come to closer to any moving average, open a spike trade. Okay, and where will be your stop loss? For stop loss, use this last one. Okay, this one is your stop loss. Okay, and right now if we open a trade here for buy, look here for buy. Okay, we place a trade, we'll go for buy here. Okay, you can grow any low account with this. I'm testing this account using this strategy. Okay guys, and this really will have very awesome results. Okay guys, this is my commission account, not a trading account. Look here, this is I'm receiving commission from binary.com. Okay, this is not my trading account, this is all my agent commission account. Okay, this is all I'm receiving commission. Okay, so let's talk about strategy. And look here that candle started going downward and closer to moving averages, so we are waiting for a spike. And once that moving average, the first one, the second, third, fourth, fifth, we'll wait till here. Okay, and once that moving average is close to this, it means that spike will appear. Okay, and where will be stop loss? Here will be our stop loss at down from this last moving average. I will set the stop loss. Here is our stop loss. Okay guys, so I hope you guys understand. If the stop loss hit, you will be out. Okay, if not, the spike will give you the profit. So let's see. Okay, this is the strategy. Once that moving average close to any moving average, that spike will appear. Okay, this strategy is totally about spike. And look here, the second thing I want to share, and once that moving average cross each other as just did here, look here, that moving average is crossing each other here at this point, and it started, it's been the downtrend is started. Okay, so once the downtrend is started after cross over the moving average, it means go for sale position. And what for buy? Look here, for buying, once that moving average cross each other and start going upward, look here at this point, and they started going upward. Okay, look here, so it means that moving average will go upward. Okay, and once that market upward and come to any, look here, come to closer the moving averages, which means the spike will appear. Okay, set your stop loss and open your position and wait for the spike. Okay, look here, once that closer to moving averages, spike will appear. Once that closer to moving averages, spike will appear. Okay guys, once that closer to moving averages, spike will appear. Okay guys, so a lot of examples here. Just you need to scan how to scan the market. Just go back and check in history, a trend is down or uptrend. Okay, after crowd, if the uptrend, once that market come closer to the moving average, it means spike. Okay, and once that market come to closer this moving average, it means spike. Okay, like this. And once that market is showing after, look here, a crossover and showing downward, so it's been go for sale. Okay guys, how long for sale? I prefer only 10 candles or 15 candles the scalping and go out, because we don't have any tool to detect a spike length. Okay, so it's better we exit with stop loss or we exit. Look here guys, this spike will come soon, because look here, as just closer to How to set up moving averages? Let's go and set a moving. First of all, you need to add 350 exponential moving average. The second one will be 250. A third one 400. A fourth one 450. Fifth one 550. And the last one 500. Okay, set up exponential moving average. Start from 350. Okay guys, and wait with patience. As I told you in video, please watch and try to understand. Okay guys, how the spike comes, you will see in this video.